Nike Cortez on my feet. I don't take pics, but I'm feeling stylish. Just cop from Jewel new teeth. Every time I smile, you can see the diamonds. Y'all really don't want no beef. Flip the whole function, get the wildin'. Y'all niggas can't fuck with me. Stay in your lane, you ain't got the mileage. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. Always roll deep and we move like the mob. Got our own section, ain't fucking with y'all. Keep going up when I'm watching you fall. You really not hard, you niggas just soft. I made my own calls, I don't got a boss. Your Bentley is rented, can't handle the cost. A lot on my plate, I just can't take a loss. I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad. I'm with the gang, I'm with the whole.
Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Jared, the one, the only one. Back on the video, yes sir, today, man. Got an unboxing and on feet and hand review all in one of these Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blue joints, man.
Gang, GVO, that's the family. I'm making classes for the culture like I'm Spike Lee. But I'm trying to be a legend like I'm Stan Lee. I do the most for my people when I show it. I'm never stopping, dedicated, and they know it. I used to really write the lines like I'm a poet. They say that shit ain't for me, so I stole it. I only rap for my fam. Who do you think that I am? The ball in my court, so I cram. On fire like NBA Jam. I don't think that you understand. Somebody come get they mans. You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad.
Again, man, make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I would greatly appreciate it, man. Road to that 5K. We almost at 2K, man. But the road right now is to reach that 5K. But I always get, like I said, being consistent. Got a lot of heat coming this week. And I got two, not one, but two on feet videos today for y'all. Got the Yeezys and I got some Nike Dunks. Let me know down below which Nike Dunks you think it's going to be. You never know which one. But like I said, today, right now, at the very moment, this unboxing I'm really excited to talk about. You know what I'm saying? Got these 350 V2 Yeezy joints, Dazzling Blue. I want all colors. I want the Oreos. I want the they call the Black Friday joints, and they got a whole bunch of 350s coming out. And I ain't gonna lie, the 350s are definitely super comfortable. One of the most comfortable shoes in my collection, I can say, or most of my Yeezys, most of my comfortable shoes I can say for real, because even though the price retail was $230, so I taxed like $240 something, but Jordans nowadays is be like $210, $220 anyway. But Yeezys are super comfortable. Now, all Yeezys always go a half size up in all your Yeezys, or a whole size. But me, I'll go a half size. Usually I wear 11.5. In my dunks I get 11, but some dunks I can get 11.5. But I know in Yeezys for sure I gotta get 12s. I can't get no 11.5s, no 11s, because Yeezys run super small. So I normally tell people go a half size or a whole size up in the Yeezys, and the slides too. But I do have some foam runners and I got some slides too. So what I'm gonna do is make another additional video this week coming of the foam runners. I got 2 pair of foam runners. I'll make a video of both of those, and I got some Yeezy slides. I'll make a video of those. So that's 3 videos coming this week. Plus we got the UNC 6s coming out, and we got some more Nike Dunks coming out. Then next week you got the Jordan 12 playoffs coming out. It's a whole bunch of shoes coming out. But make sure y'all tune in. Make sure you just like and subscribe to the channel. The post notification bell is on, so you'll be the first one to know when I upload videos, create shorts, all that good stuff, man. But did too much talking. Let's go get that shoe out, man. Here they go, man. The Yeezy 350 V2 joints, man. So all Yeezys, like the slides, 700s, 500s, anything will be the number right here, but the slides will be just like right here. I say Yeezy slides or foam runners, whatever. But the shoe wise, it will say the number. So the 350 will be like 700, 500, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. So I got the 350 joints. Got that personal size, definitely a must keep in my collection. This shoe is super fire. Already laced it and everything, so be ready, man. It says Yeezy Boost 350 V2, size 12, C black, Dazzling Blue, C black. Retail was $230 for these joints, and they reselling for about $350 to $370 right now, my size. And I got a popular size too, so it'd be kind of hard getting this shoe, man. But also before I go to the shoe, comment down below, man. Let me know if y'all want on Champs, Foot Locker, Yeezy, Supply, JD. Let your boy know down below. Let's go get these bad boys out, man. Ooh, these things just 50. Bang! Here they go, man. Yeezy 350 V2 Dazzling Blue joints, man. These are clean. Comment down below, man. Let me know y'all passed on these, you copped them. This shoe fire, man. I wish they had the little pull tab in the back, but it's all good as long as I got that Supply 350 on the side. Hey, that's all good, man. But these are super clean, man. Super clean. Let's put the other shoe out. Like I said, I already get the laces already done. Right, get that on feet going for y'all, man. Because this shoe is highly anticipated and super. This shoe is fire, man. Super fun, man. Here they go, man. 350 V2 Dazzling Blue joints, man. Let's go and talk about the shoe, man. So on the upper of the shoe, you got your prominent upper on the upper of the shoe. On the side, you got your Supply 350, like a royal blue. These blue speckles around the shoe. That's what they call them, Dazzling Blue. You got the blue speckles around the shoe. If y'all could clearly see that, I like that detail as well. I wish they had the pull tab, but it's all good. And on the outsole, you got your white Adidas Boost. It's like the bottom of the shoe right here. Look, it's not black, like a little hints of gray, like a see-through a little bit. I like that detail a lot. And on the inside, you got that recycle. So I didn't notice at all. So when they have the recycle inside the shoe, basically the shoe kind of made a recycle. I don't know the exact percentage or anything like that. I didn't know that. And so I started watching a lot of videos. So it got certain percentage in this shoe recycle, but I don't know what percentage it is. But that's why that little globe right there is a standing for basically recycling, in case y'all didn't know. Of course, you got your 3M right here on the heel tab. You got your black sock liner, black rope laces. I'm glad they didn't do no 3M laces, anything like that. Kept it plain Jane simple. Black rope laces, because I like the only thing 3M on the shoe is this right here on the heel, the 3M 3 stripes on the heel. That's cool and all, but I didn't want like no 3M on the laces or anything like that. I don't know. I just like the black with hints of that blue. Got the little blue speckles. Super fire. I just wish they had the pull tab in the back. I don't know. I like the pull tab on the back of Yeezys, man. I don't know. It just looks super dope. Like an extra little sprinkle to the shoe, man. But it's all good, man. But like I said, size running these, definitely go a half size or a whole size up in these joints. But like I said, I wear 11 or 11.5, but I always get all my Yeezys in the 12. All my Yeezys in the 12. I don't be playing when it comes to Yeezy in the 12. I need a 12. Not no 11.5, not no 11. I need a 12 because they run small. But after a while, though, this material will mold on your feet. Because like I said, I got the MX Rock and I got the blue tint ones. After a while, first I put them on like, whoa, a little snug. But after a while, I wear a couple times, you know what I'm saying? They will start to, you know what I'm saying, right there mold on your feet. When I mean by mold on your feet, it's basically just going to format on your foot. Like this material right here, it's going to start expanding out. And after a while, it's going to get comfortable with your foot. And then it's going to just mold right on, slip on, super easy, super comfortable. If that makes sense to y'all. But let's go get on feet going. Too much talking. Let's go get on feet going, man. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love support as always. Let's get this on feet going, man. Hey, let's get it. BRB. Let's get it.
You stumble and fumble your lines, man. I think it's wise if you sit in the stands.
I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, I'm with the squad, I'm with the gang, I'm with the gang, 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 I'm with the gang, 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 gang. I hate with the realest, go beats like a realist. The world just gon' feel this and shit from the heart. God is my witness, it's ain't superstition. We striving position, we playing our part. We handle the mission, we need the commission. Don't need your permission, been good from the start. So fuck your opinion, we built for conditions. We thrive in positions, we running the charts. Never thought I would see it.
Yes, sir. I'm back from my own feet. These clean, bro. 10 out of 10. One of the best 350s come out in a long time, in my personal opinion. I don't know, something about the Supply 350 on the side of the shoe just make the shoe even better, make it 10 times better in my opinion. I just wish they had the pull tab. I'm gonna keep saying that though, because I wish they did, but it's all good. So the next one's coming out in 350 V2 ones. It's the Oreos, and they basically got a whole 350 collection coming out. And they got some wave runners coming out, some more foam runners, some more slides. Your boy gonna get all of them. Like I said, I'll be on my feet majority of the time, and Yeezy is one of the most comfortable shoes in my collection. Then one of the most comfortable shoes that's out there right now. Even though the price be crazy, especially for the resale, most of my Yeezys I got for retail. Most of them. The only ones I didn't get for retail was my foam runners. Other than that, everything else I got was for retail. So it do be hard to get Yeezys in for retail. It do be super, super hard. I can't say that. It do be hard. It just, You gotta win your raffles or know somebody that knows somebody. You know what I'm saying? So, but hey, it's all good, man. Like I said, it's a personal pair. I'm glad I hit for sure, cause this show I've definitely been anticipating for sure, man. Cause ever since I seen the picture, I was like, oh, I need them. And now the Oreos came. They're coming out. Not say came, but the Oreos coming out soon. And you got the black and red joints coming out soon. So like, oh yeah, they got some heat coming for sure. So definitely. But like I said, retail price was $230. They definitely went up $10. Will they keep it up? Who knows? Like I said, they're going up on all stuff, everything. Jordans, Nikes, Yeezys. Nike Dunks might be next. Who knows? Nike Dunks might be turning to 110, 130, 140. You never know, man, because resale value on shoes going higher. Retail price is going higher. So, hey, that's just how that's what's coming to. Gas going up. It's like that. But that's how it's coming to, though. Everything going up in price, man. But it's all good. Like I said, make sure you go half size up in your Yeezys, bro. Half size or a whole size. They run small. Just letting y'all know. So, I got narrow foot, though. But I need a size 12 every time. I need a 12. I need a 12. No 11.5, no 11. Need a 12. So go half size, go a whole size up. I gotta keep repeating it because certain people don't be understanding or getting it most of the time. So like I said, I don't mind repeating myself to y'all. So that's why I keep repeating it, letting y'all know. Go half size or a whole size up. All right, y'all heard it? Okay, good. But that's it for this video, man. Like and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate y'all showing love, support as always, man. Y'all always come through. Yeah, my family, man, for sure. Make sure you like and subscribe if you're new. Roll to that 5K, man. Let's get to it. Catch y'all in another video, man. Y'all don't want is out. Peace.